Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for deep relaxation. Find a comfortable seat in your quiet park, or imagine a peaceful park scene with gentle water visuals. Settle into your space. Allow your body to relax and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, letting go of any tension. Today, we'll guide you through a full body scan that will help you release stress and invite inner calm. Begin by focusing on your breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your lungs expand. Then exhale gently through your mouth. Let your breath become steady, calming rhythm. Notice the natural flow of air and allow it to ground you in the present moment. Bring your attention to your head and face. Relax your forehead, soften your eyes, and clench your jaw and let your facial muscles ease. As you breathe, imagine a gentle warmth dissolving any tension in your scalp and around your eyes. Shift your focus to your neck and shoulders. With each inhale, feel the muscles lengthen. With each exhale, release tightness. Visualize the stress melting away, like water flowing over smooth stones. Now turn your attention to your arms and hands. Notice any heaviness or tension. As you breathe out, imagine a wave of relaxation spreading from your shoulders down to your fingertips, softening every muscle. Focus on your chest and abdomen. Feel your heartbeat and the gentle rise and fall of your belly with each breath. Allow these areas to relax fully as you exhale, releasing any lingering stress or tightness. Bring your awareness to your back. Starting at the upper back, gradually scan down your spine. With each breath, feel the muscles loosen and any discomfort dissolve. Envision your spine aligning effortlessly, as if supported by soft healing water. Direct your focus to your hips and pelvis. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, let go of tension stored in these areas. Imagine a gentle current washing over you, releasing any heaviness and bringing a sense of balance. Now, move your awareness to your legs and feet. Feel the strength of your legs and the grounding sensation in your feet. With every exhale, feel the tension drain away, leaving your lower body relaxed and supported by the earth. Finally, take a moment to scan your entire body, noticing the deep relaxation that has settled in. Bring your focus back to your breath, steady and calm. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of inner calm and renewed focus with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this meditation. Enjoy the tranquility.